Hello parents and teachers. Do you want your kids to learn about our great and beautiful Indian culture? So here is a little help from my side. So here we have a Gayatri Mantra. So we are going to learn about the Gayatri Mantra, its meaning, its phonics and the meaning of some important Sanskrit words. So let's start. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Once again, Om Bhurभुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. So this is a Gayatri Mantra which is taken from Rigveda, which is written around 3000 years ago. So here is the English phonics. Om Bhur Bhuva Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Now moving on to its bhavarth or meaning. O God, may your pure divine light illuminate all realms, physical, mental, spiritual of our being. Please expel any darkness from our hearts and bestow upon us the true knowledge. And here we have some important Sanskrit word meanings. So what do you mean by bhur? Bhur means physical, earth or body. What do you mean by tat? Tat mean is that. So Sanskrit is the mother of all language. So you can see Sanskrit and English is very close here. Savitur, sa, and here also sa. Savitur is sun. Varenyam, Varenyam means is best. Bhargo, Bhargo means bright. Bhar here and also bhar here. Bhargo means bright. Dhimahi, Dhi means mind and Dhimahi means focused mind. Prachodayat, Prachodayat means to inspire. Now friends, we are going to do one activity on a Gayatri month to learn it in a gamified way.
Hello friends and teachers, I bring the activity of Gayatri month. So let's start it. First is Tat. So Tat is that. Yes, correct. Second is B. Savitra. Savitra means sun. Because Sanskrit is mother of all language. That's why English and Sanskrit meet. Same. Third is C. Varenyam. Third is Varenyam. Varenyam means best. We say it is the best candy. We can say also it is the best. It is Varenyam candy.
Very good.
And fourth is Bhargo. D. Bhargo is focused mind to inspire. Bright. Fourth is Bhargo. D. Bright. Correct answer. we say na, today's sun is very bright. Not in winters. Today's sun is very bright. We can say also today is sun is very Bhargo.
Right.
E is Dhimai. Dhimai means focused mind. वी से ना इसका तो फोकस माइंड है, ये तो टेस्ट में जीतेगा. वी कैन से ऑल्सो इसका तो धीमा ही माइंड है, ये तो टेस्ट में जीतेगा. फिफ्थ इज प्रचोदयात. प्रचोदयात इज टू इंस्पायर. ये से ना Rocksmart is inspire for kids. We can say also Rocksmart is Prachodayat for kids. Bye bye. Thank you.